Okay, hello again guys. Let's continue modeling the sniper. Okay, now we need to do the back side for the sniper. Let's add a cube. Let's move the cube like this, scale it up. Like this. Okay, let's go to edit mode, face selection. Let's move this face up. Let's press 7 in numpad just to go in the top view. Let's move it to put it in the middle. Maybe like this. Okay, now let's set origin to geometry. And now let's go to edit mode, face selection, extrude. And let's scale it only in this side. Like this, another extrude, and just scale it down like this inside. And let's go to side edge selection, select this edge, and let's move it up a little bit like this maybe. Let's again undo a little bit, just move it more. And now go to edge selection and select this edge and move it up. Let's scale it down a little bit like this. Okay, let's go again to edit mode, select this face, move it like until here, extrude, until here, extrude again. Okay, select this face, extrude down, not much, like this. Okay, now we need to select this face and select this face also, like the top and the down. And now we need to make hole in the middle. So what we're gonna do, let's go to press I. Let's make instant face like this. Okay, now we go to edge from here and make a bridge edge loops. And now we made a hole and a bridge between the edges and the faces. Okay, now let's go to edge selection, select this edge, and let's make a bevel here, maybe like this. Okay, let's increase the segment to 5. Okay, let's make right click and shade auto smooth. Okay, that's nice. Now we need to add another cube. Let's move it, scale it, maybe like this. Let's go to edit mode, select this face and go to scale and scale them like this. Okay, let's go to X-ray mode from here just to check everything. Okay, we can hide this object for now, like for this moment, by pressing H. And to unhide, to show it, just press Alt and H. Alt and H. Okay, let's go back to this object, face selection, select this one, and let's move it a little bit like this. Or we can just select at the object, the one we hide it, and just turn it on. You see here, we can hide in and hide the object. Okay, now let's select this object. Let's go to side view by pressing 3. Let's go to X-ray mode. Okay, now we need to make some cuts to this object. Let's press shift. Before we need to apply the object rotation and scale in case. And now let's select Shift and Control and X. Let's change it to line by pressing space. Okay, let's select, or let's keep it for now a cube, and let's delete like this. Sorry, again, let's change it to line. Let's make some difference here. We need to cut here like this. Press Shift and space to make another object. Let's go to object, set origin to geometry, because we have a new object. We separate this object to main object. Let's scale it down a little bit like this. Again, let's select the object and go to make some cuts. Let's go to line by pressing space, like here. Like here, let's press Shift. Again, the same technique, origin to geometry, scale it down a little bit. Again, select the object. We can just disable the X-ray mode, because we cut the main part here. So like we don't need it anymore, X-ray mode. Just for example, if you need it, you can press like turn it on from here. Okay, let's go back again to side view by pressing number 3. Let's make some cuts again. Let's press to change it to line. Let's make some cut like this, maybe from here. Like this, maybe. Same thing, set origin, geometry, scale it up, this one. Again, select the object, Control X, change it to line, or let's keep it. We need to make a hole here, like this, and now let's change it to line. Let's make extrude here. Sorry, cut here. Like this. Let's make a hole here, like this, and maybe let's make this one a separate part. Let's press Shift. And also we can make this one separated. Okay, like this. This is a nice. let's set origin to geometry to make it in the middle. Let's scale it up, not much. Let's again do the same thing, origin to geometry, scale it down. Same thing, origin to geometry, scale it down. Okay, now let's start adding some bevel and make some edits. Select this one and make apply rotation and scale, sorry. Let's go to edit mode, and now we need to make some bevel here. Select this edge and let's make a bevel like this. So also here, maybe here too. This one. Okay, now let's go to face selection, select this face and this one, and let's make a bevel here a little bit like this. Nice. Let's make shade auto smooth. Maybe we can just go to side view and make a hole here too, like this maybe. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's make this object also, like let's make a bevel here too. Let's go to object, apply rotation and scale. Same thing, let's go to edit mode. Let's select this edge and this one and let's make a bevel here. Let's make shade auto smooth. Okay, let's make this one too now. Apply rotation and scale. Go to edit mode, edge selection. Same thing, let's make a bevel here and here, and select this face. Go to face selection and this face, and let's make bevel a little bit here. We need a little bit, not much, just to make it nicer and smoother. And let's make shade out smooth, and again let's do the same for this object too. We need to increase segment here a little bit, like this maybe. Let's make shade auto smooth. Let's select this one now, apply rotation and scale. The same thing, face selection, but here we need to move it a little bit like this. Okay, that's nice. I think that's it for the backside for the sniper. Like, I'm going to show you how to clean and organize the edges and points and vertex, but in the end of the modeling video. For now, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.